right, guys, I'm going to show you a couple different hip and low back mobility exercises. We've had a lot of law enforcement officers coming into the office with both hip and low back discomfort, so we want to focus on both mobility and stability through both of those regions. First exercise is going to be a modified lunge from this forward-facing position. With that front leg, I want you to take a big step to the outside. We're going to drive the knee over the toe. We should be focusing on external rotation of the hip. Should feel a nice stretch through both the groin and the low back. I want you to hold this for 5 seconds. We'll press up back into that neutral positions, and I want you to do this for 5 repetitions. This exercise can be progressed by holding a kettlebell in front of you. That covers our mobility through the hip. The second exercise is going to be a hip airplane. We're going to do this from a single leg position. We'll hinge at the hips, that back leg can come off the ground. Slight bend in the knee, arms can come out for balance, and then we're going to focus on rotating the hips up in the air. You should feel a nice squeeze through the glute. That's exactly what we're looking for. That glute contraction is going to give us nice stability through, again, both the hip and the pelvic complex. If you have low back pain, especially, like I said, if you are a cop, wearing that heavy duty belt, doing too much sitting, give these 2 exercises a try, and if they help, you're on the right track.